Hello folks, I'm getting ready to carve up some ham and some pork loin to make some ham kielbasa in the next couple videos. So I have this granite stone knife. See them on TV being advertised, and it is dull. It is so dull. So I'm going to show you how I sharpen my knives. Oh, I have a Smith stone. This is from Canadian Tire. I think Home Depot sells them also. It's not the greatest of stones, but this stone here is a 400 grit. And it also has one on the inside, an Arkansas stone that's 1200 grit. It comes with oil. So I put some honing oil on. And I'm going to start. I'm going to hold the knife away from me to begin with, or toward you, but I'm going to start with it away from me. It's just so you know which side you're sharpening. I like to have the blade part, the edge up, and hold the stone against the knife. This part of the knife is the flattest. So you hold it there. And you tilt it until the little space between the stone and the blade disappears. No, don't want to go more. You just want to make it disappear. Hold the stone against the flat part of the knife. This is the flat part. This is the edge over here. Flat part of the knife, and tilt it until that space just closes up. And then don't put too much pressure. You check every once in a while, make sure it's just touching on the angle. Try and go pretty evenly in which part of the blade you're sharpening. You don't want to just sharpen the tip. You want to sharpen the whole blade pretty evenly. Every once in a while, take it away so it's flat and tilt it so it just touches. Some people just go one direction. Other people go both directions. I don't mind both directions. All I know is the dullness some of these blades come. I don't know. They send them. They say they're going to be absolutely the sharpest in the world, sort of thing. And never need to sharpen your knives again. Well, they're wrong on my set that I got. I know I could have sent them back and got them replacements, but that takes time and energy. I think that side of the blade is probably sharpened. So now you hold it the opposite direction. I'm going to put a couple more drops of oil on here. So now I'm holding the knife towards me, the opposite direction of away from me. But still the sharp edge is up. Same idea, hold it on the flat. Tilt it until the space just disappears. If you tilt it too much, you'll be ruining your blade and it'll take you a long time to sharpen it out. So make sure you test it once in a while. You just want the space to close. I just count down in my head how long I've been sharpening for. But if you wanted to keep sharpening on the same on both sides, you could use a timer. Look at the clock, your watch. Like do 2 minutes one side, 2 minutes the other side, sort of thing. I definitely am no expert, but I know it's going to be sharp enough to cut my pork after. Okay, so that's the 400 grit. Now this is the 1200 Arkansas grit. Put a couple drops of oil on that. Same idea, I'm going to hold it away from me, sharp part of the blade up, put it against the blade, against the flat side, and then tilt it so it's just touching, so you can see the space close. Arkansas honing stone here. Hold it against the flat part of the blade, and tilt it till that space just disappears. This is much finer, so it's gonna like hone the blade. Yes, you can buy sharpening stones, 2,000 grit, 3,000 grit, but this is just for my cooking. This will do fine to cut up my ham and my pork. Again, every once in a while, set it against the side and tilt it just to make sure you're still on the edge. This one is not as aggressive as the 400. It's just to get it sharp. So now you take it, hold the knife towards yourself in this case. Sharp part of the blade up. Still lots of oil on my stone. Double check, hold it against the blade, close the space. Remember, not too much pressure. Just need it lightly touching the blade. Too much pressure and you'll be, that's no good either. It's about equal. Well, let's see if we sharpened it. I know this isn't a paper towel. Have my little tomato here. Will it cut? And I hardly put any pressure on it. So TV advertisements always show thin slices. So let's see if I can make a thin slice. Anyway, I think that's sharp enough now to cut my pork and my pork loin and my ham for my kielbasa recipe. Thanks for watching.